That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. That portion was brought to you by Mars! Nandito na sa Luzon ang holiday corned beef and holiday beef loaf. Para sa ulam na pwede any time of the day. Now available in selected Pure Gold and Metro supermarkets nationwide. All day, holiday!
Araw-araw, MX3 para extraordinary. With alphabet gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, cups of coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Tuhod, siko, baywang, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up.
May budget?
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up by the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para extraordinary. With alphabet gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, cups of coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 Capsule. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RM